These POV historical videos are going viral on social media right now. Just look at this Instagram account, it gained over 30,000 followers with only 10 videos. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos yourself using completely free AI tools. Now watch what I created in less than 5 minutes.
We must stand together against the storm. This land is our birthright. We will fight for our families.
First, open ChatGPT. Click on Apps, then click on Explore GPT's, search for Historical POV Shorts, and open the first result. Then click Start. Now ChatGPT will ask you to choose an era. For example, I chose option 2. Next, it will ask you to choose a country, so I selected option 4. Finally, it will ask you to choose a role, and I selected option 5. Instantly, ChatGPT generates 6 image prompts and 6 video prompts for your historical POV story. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Paste the prompt, choose your desired settings, and click Generate. Just like that, your first image is ready. Generate all the remaining images using the same method. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. In Google Flow, select Frames to Video, upload the first image as the starting frame, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. Within seconds, your first video clip will be ready. Repeat the same process for all the remaining prompts until you have all your clips. Finally, import all the clips into your favorite editing software, arrange them in sequence, add sound effects or background music if you want, and that's it. Your viral historical POV video is ready to upload. Post it on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, and start growing your audience today.